好，我叫 Kate. I am the leader of the team of Institute of Mechanics of Lomonosov Moscow State University. I would like to introduce new wave-type portable wind turbines. In the left picture, you can see our university. In the right, there is our device. This is our team in the Red Square in Moscow. The students in our team are Andrey and me. Our scientific advisors are Liubov and Vera. We work together on a project based on advanced scientific research held in the Institute of Mechanics of Lomonosov Moscow State University. Our project deals with small-scaled green systems due to modern green technology challenge to produce ecologically friendly and autonomous energy sources for remote objects and households. Here you can see our first invention. In brief, idea is the following. The main element of the construction is the wind receiving element. To increase the efficiency of the scheme, it is necessary to one of the best ways to increase the efficiency of such a scheme is to change the pitch angle during every cycle of the rotation of the wing. It is an advantage of such a device in comparison to traditional devices where the pitch angle is constant. For this purpose, to change the pitch angle, the string and the pendulum were added into the construction. In this particular model, direct autonomous kinematical control of the pitch angle is used so that the change of external dynamical load directly leads to the change of the pitch angle in this construction. On the next slide, you can see our second invention. It reminds of an insect. It is easy to see. The idea derives from bionics. It is double-winged power system. Here, a kinematical principle of the pitch angle control is used, so that the device has 1 degree of freedom. For this purpose, 2 double-winged holders and rotating joints were added into the construction. On the left video, you can see how the device works. On the right video, it is shown that 5 meters per second is enough for such a small device, only 40 centimeters, to produce energy to light 9 LED lamps. It was shown that lamps are lighting there. Now I would like to focus your attention on the advantages of the project. First of all, this research is based on deep scientific research, computer simulation, and experimental tests using high technology equipment. Bionic ideas were realized in several devices with great variety of parameters. During theoretical research, some specific features were found and analyzed. This device is extremely environmentally friendly. So, for instance, if you use it as a hydropower station, no dam is needed. So it cannot damage the ecosystem of the river. This device is easy and convenient in exploitation. It is portable and autonomous, so it can be used in camping trips or for remote objects. Institute of Mechanics has a Russian patent on this invention. almost half a year, everything in Russia is covered by snow. So we extremely feel the lack of green nature and want to protect it. The realization of the project was held in the river called Khopер in Russia. The device was used as a hydropower station there to illuminate the bridge. The device fits a lot the ecosystem of the river because Khoper is one of the most beautiful, picturesque and clean rivers in Russia. So we need to use ecologically clean and autonomous energy sources on it. Thank you for your attention very much. 有没有问题?
Is there any power curve that you have done on your devices?
You mean computer simulations?
No, real tests.
Real tests. The curves.
Power curves. So the power output against the wind flow or water flow.
Here in the presentation, some specific features were found out. For example, here is the curve showing the dependence of the efficiency from the...
So this is not efficiency. The power curve, which means that you can extract, say, 30% or 40% of the wind energy from...
about 25% right now.
Okay.
But it needs to be adjusted. So it can be expected to be a little bit higher.
Okay, thank you.
谢谢.
Oh, okay. Operation.
So here we introduce the wave-type portable autonomous wind turbine, and it uses principle of autonomous changing of the angle between the blade and the flow. So we obtain better interaction with the wind flow, better angle of attack and better aerodynamic force. And here you can see the video made in our wind tunnel. The wind speed was 5.5 meter per second, and lamps lighting. And here wind speed little bit less, and we are sorry we have only this fan because...
But your generator doesn't work.
Yes, we show it without generator because with generator it will not... We attach generator.
Oh yeah?
Lamps are lighting. Lamps not lighting. Here, sorry.
Okay, now.
Here?
Okay, good.
Here, lamps are lighting.
Could you show with the fan?
With
too weak.
We can try. We can show, but it is too weak. We need stronger fan. Not enough. It's more difficult. Without generator.
Oh, okay. Without
okay.
Okay.
Sorry, and also the difference is that in the wind tunnel or in the real space, open space, the wind flow is more straight, and here it is very turbulent, very circle flow.
The starting speed, the minimum starting speed is 3 meters.
Without lamp. With lamp to work, it should be 5 meters per second.
This direction is good.
Yeah, this direction is
Also good.
Okay, so good. But how about you if you put on the generator? Do they work?
No, we tried. No, not enough.
You say it's a 3 direction. Not omnidirectional.
You can change your bed.
Yeah.
No, other is starting wind speed.
For this particular, if we want just to rotate with no load, about 3 meters per second wind flow. And if in the river, maybe in the water flow, what I can use should be about 0.2 meters per second. So because the density of the water much higher. And if we want to charge lamps, to lighting lamps, should be 5 meters per second or larger. And if we want to charge phone, about 10 meters per second.
Oh, okay. But what's the advantage comparing to other wind turbine?
It has different structure. So the starting wind speed is rather low, and also it has another structure. So we can remove wings from their rotating parts. For example, for the traditional type wind turbine, it is wings just together with the rotating part, and when we use in the water, we can't separate. And if we use this in the water, this can be out of there. And also,
Okay, so you can use the water current.
Yes.
Water.
They use now, right? You use it in the park and in the river.
the river, which one of the implementation of such kind of device was to use in the river to lighting bridge. But during the Russian winter, when the river was freezing, it was broken. Sorry. And
Wait until next summer.
and another advantage, very important, is that when we use this device, we can put in the set one by one and another, because interaction with the flow, it spoils the flow not very high. You can feel that after the flow goes through it, the flow remains very strong. The flow remains strong, and here you can put one more. And if you use like this time, if you put one by one, no result, because the second will have no wind. And this influence the flow, but not stop the flow totally. And we can put them in the set, many together. And if, for example, we have some space like square space, this kind we can't put all the space. Yes, we can put only in some perimeter. And this we can put one by one and make some tail to rotate, and so they could go all together in any direction of the wind.
High population system.
But it must take some energy out of the wind. Otherwise, it would not generate electricity.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.